Akala ko nga hindi natuloy tayo eh. Naka-ano na ako kanina, naka-pag cooldown na ako. Bigla ako nakaset pa pala tayo. Sumasay na yung elbow ko eh, ba mamaya di ako makalaro bukas.
Ba't mo tinanay?
Tambak.
Naka 1 win, 4 lose.
Just 1 inch.
Just 1 inch.
Just 1 inch. So how's the game, Master Jose? Bigla pineta yung ilaw ha. Ini-interview pa kita eh. So how's the I lack English. No more English.
I think they are in.
They are in?
No, it's very out. It's out by 1 meter.
Do you?
It's out 1 kilometer.
Do you? Yeah.
3 points.
They're protesting.
No, it's very out.
It's a. They're cheating. They're cheating. Oh, okay. Oh, I will post this in Facebook. I will post this in Facebook. You're a victim of cheating badminton.
The second set so that we will play third set.
File dispute and yeah. See you in court. Badminton court. See you in badminton court. You're fighting you're fighting Lena in law, huh? You're fighting law, huh? This cheating. Oh, this guy cheating. It's outside pero they say it's in pero they say outside. Just because they're far and you're yeah.
3 in a row.
3 in a row. Oh, I think that's impossible. 3 in a row, right? 3 in
4 in a row. This is my first win.
So this is accessory to the crime or hindi, your partner? Accessory to the crime or mastermind?
Because he lost 4 games, so he need to cheat on the win.
Okay.
Congratulate me na lang. This is my first
I know the title of this YouTube. Cheating in the court. escalated.
Cheating on the court at the crucial points.
Oh. See you in badminton court. They will see you in court. Oh. Bad.
Crucial points, they are saying out, but they are in.
Oh, they say out.
Let's watch.
When it's in favor, right? It's in favor of them.
Next time you record those.
Let's put some wanted face on their pictures. Right?
When it is honest.
Yeah. Guys, remember the face of this. But this is actually my idol. This is Mr. Jose. He's my idol. Guys, that's just joke.
You are the stronger Avengers here.
Guys, that is just a joke. Lena's just Lena's just joking. Jose is really the legit winner. Legit.
Yeah,
She's the strongest Avenger.
See, I will bow to him. See, I will bow.
We're the legit winner.
He's the grandmaster of badminton. He fought
In God's eye, we are the winner.
yeah. in God's eye, right? Yeah. So in others' eye, you're not
Demon's opinion.
Dahil saklap naman.
Demon's opinion.
Nadamay ka pa.
Crucial points.
Crucial points.
What's your partner?
I think this calls for a rematch, right? Entwine.
Yeah.
Like Entwine the rope. Entwine. Yeah.
Pwede ba, naka-video ko talaga yan?
Oh, ayan. Popost ko to.
That's the son of China Twine.
Shine Twine. And his great-grandfather's Mark Twine.
Hindi, pasok.
Gotta be fast.
Asa si
Ayun
Twine?
ang China Twine.
Shania Twain.
Wala,
He's rejoicing.
si Anthony.
He's rejoicing.
Rejoicing.
He's rejoicing, guys.
Exciting down on the trophy.
Trophy, You have, what's the trophy?
Trophy, the tropic.
Lena is stretching, she's prepared for another round, Guys, watch out. There will be a rematch.
On Thursday.
Yeah, on Thursday. Because see you in court, they say see you in court.
Badminton court.
Not the court where they sue people, the badminton court. Yes. You're threatening them, right? See you in court, you say see you in court.
See you in badminton court.
Yeah, see you in court, okay?
With your rematch on Thursday.
This is one of the big team as well. Big team, Renz. Big team, Lena. Yeah, they're the complainant. And he's the mastermind, the suspect.
Smile.
Rosa challenge successful actually.
You should cover your face with towel. It's like in the witness, right?
I'm innocent.
Innocent.
I'm innocent.
Guys, he does not want to show his face because he's the suspect, The suspect. Jose. He's so Filipino, Jose.
He desperate to win.
Suspect of stealing our points.
Oh, stealing points, no. That's a grave accusation. That's a grave accusation. Pero guys, legit yung nakita ko, pasok lahat. Ayun, out lahat. Pasok lahat yung point, Galing.
Yes, thank you.
Outside yun, nakita ko. Gino-joke lang nila. They're just kidding.
Are you joking?
Yeah, andun kaya ako. Kitang-kita ako.
Also is desperate to win.
Andun ako, di ba? Nasaan? Kahit na i-record, i-review niya sa video.
So I won.
Yeah. Legit ang panalo ni Sir Jose. Congratulate natin. So guys, ilalagay yung title, Jose the Grandmaster.
For the sake of the vlog.
Lagay natin Jose the Grandmaster. Okay ba, sir? Sir, YouTube po yun, wala kang magagawa. Wala kang magagawa. Tangina, sakit. Nagka-cramps yung ko, yung dito, bilbil ko. Cramps ba yun o nag-appendicitis ako? Uwi na kayo. Okay, bye.
Thank you, vlog.
Welcome to my guys.